All right, so it says, what is the simplified version of this expression? I think the first thing I need to recognize is that this negative sign is the same as multiplying everything in the parentheses as a negative 1. So what's negative 1 times 9x squared? Yep, negative 9x squared. What's negative 1 times 5x? Negative 5x. What's negative 1 times negative 1? Positive 1. Now, all this other stuff, because I'm not doing anything, I can't simplify inside the parentheses. I'm not multiplying it by anything. I really don't need that set of parentheses. I could just leave that. I could just get rid of the parentheses and just write it down like this. So now I've got a bunch of stuff. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on my like terms. So, oops, I don't want to do that. So I've got an x squared here, and I've got a 9, oops. And I've got an x squared here. I've got, I'm basically, I'm trying to find the like terms. I've got, 10x here, that's x to the first power. And then I've got this negative, oops, dang it. I've got x to the first power here, right? And then lastly, I feel like I want to do a fancy shape. I will just use a square. And then I have this constant 4 and this constant, oops, positive 1. Okay. So what is 9 minus 9? 0. So 9x squared minus 9x is 0x squared. What is positive 10x minus 5x? 5x, good. So far we're cooking with gas. And what is positive 4 plus another 1? Plus 5. So my final answer then should be what? That's it. That's all we got to do. It took me longer to make the shapes around the things than to actually do the problem.